Hello, good afternoon, teacher and partner. Then in present my exhibition. What are you going to do? Present John Steven Ortiz. After the meeting, we are going to determine the topics for purchasing plans. Sales department is going to prepare a report to forecast how much the company needs for the break-even next month. The company is going to buy a new truck in order to enlarge its loading capacity and becomes bigger in the distribution. The banks are going to approve the loans in a few weeks. Management has decided that it's possible to include a new partner in a society. So they will start to seed units. Government is going to increase the taxes for this year, so companies will be overseen. Production capacity must be supervised according to the details given for the staff. So the department is going to have a new chief. Making plans and following the instruction, we are going to conduct the whole staff in a go discipline. The person who is in charge of purchasing department is going to be able to negotiate and make new providers. Company is going to implement new policies that let in develop profit strategies and look for need markets and better prices. Thank you.